everyone, my name is Rebecca Grace and I am the CEO of Rebecca Grace Designs. Today we're going to be talking about how to add a vertical line to your Squarespace website, and this will work in both Squarespace 7.0 and 7.1. So the first thing you need to do is go to where you want the line to be added on your site. So in this case I want it on the home page. I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to add a line between this text and this summary block. To do that, I'm going to click the plus and add a code block, and then copy and paste the following code into the code block. Okay, and what this has done is created an empty div, or you can think of it like an empty box that we've named or added a class of vertical line to. So I'm going to click apply. You shouldn't see anything come up yet because we haven't styled the line in any way. And I'm going to click done, save. Then I'm going to go to Design, Custom CSS, and copy and paste the code below this video. And you should see a line now pop up. There's a few things you can do to customize this line. You can change the height of this line. So right now I have it set to 50 pixels. You can make that more or less. And I have it set to a width of 2 pixels, but again, you can make it wider or you can make it skinnier. And you can change the background color here. So I've used a hexadecimal code, but you're welcome to use an RGBA code or a word. So for instance, you can just use the word black and so on. Margin right and margin left, just center it within that block. So I would leave those as they are. If you want this line to overlap other things, so maybe I want it to overlap the image below, then there's some additional code we need to add. First, I'm going to set it to red just so you can see it stick out a little bit better. And we need to add a position. So at the top of the code, I'm going to add position relative. And then I'm going to add the code top. So I want it to move away from the top of the screen. 20 pixels. Not quite enough, so now I can change and play with this code. Maybe 50 pixels, and you'll see it move down. But as you can see, it looks like the line's behind the image, and that's because I need to change the z-index. So I'm going to add a z-index of 3. And now you can see that it's popped above the image because it's stacked higher than the image itself. So again, if you wanted to overlap, you're going to need to add a position of relative, and then you can use the words top or bottom if I wanted the line to go upwards, and then change the z-index to 3 so that it will stack on top. If that's not enough, you can play with the number 3 to go higher and higher until it's on top of what you're trying to overlap. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, or if you're watching this on my blog, make sure you sign up for the freebie in my footer so that you can be notified when a new tutorial is posted. Until then, that is how you add a vertical line to your Squarespace website.